Well, so angel healing is something that I've been very interested in. Like, as in, I truly believe in angels, yeah, because I come from a background where religion was a big topic of difference at home. Like, so the whole concept of God itself was fuzzy for me. Like, because that's what my mom was a Hindu and my dad a Catholic. So that makes me basically confused. So no, actually, Buddhism is something that I would like practicing, and even now vipassana meditation. But really, people, so with regard to um, so when it comes to a higher being, I've come to trust in angels. So I really have seen that in my life. So in fact, I'm hoping to, you know I think the world needs angelic help, yeah, now. So, there is this site called Help Talks, it's a YouTube channel, and where you will find many of these angel healers speaking. So, Swati Jadhav and, so many others. So, you all should check it out, people. It's called Help Talks, because YouTube is so huge, right? So, it's nice to have these like pointers saying that this is a good channel to check out. So Help Talks it is, and for anyone interested in angel healing. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.